coming to today's task, using Blue Prism, we have to connect to different databases. Like first is the option is there or not, we have to discuss. Till yet we are using flowcharts, right? Using flowchart, like we are taking the data from our own itself. Like yesterday, what we did collection, our own collection we did it orders. Initial values we only give it, right, our own. You know, right? This one I'm talking about. Don't think surprise like that. Some people will be there. See, calling notepad, not calling notepad. Yesterday what we did, Excel sample or anything you can take. This collection is there, right? This not this
Order table.
Order collection is there, right? That order collection we are and queue we did actually. This order collection we are made it as our own, right? These are all our preloaded actually. We only prepared it, right? Our own collection.
Yeah.
Okay. Then in future, in real time, how the data will come? Usually this kind of question also will get. See, you have to concentrate on it. How the data will come to as a requirement for you. Okay, how the data will come? Usually, we have different ways will be there. One is, if it is a flat files, you have to sell like if it is a flat files, like flat files means either Excel, either CSV, either text files, they will give it as an input file. Yes. To our bot. You have to tell any one of the file will get as an input to the bot or as well as process. Yes. Okay, then that is one option. Second option is sometimes we will hard code the collection and play it if it is the requirement is there like that. If it is not there, then third option is like I want to connect to database. I want to write my own query. For example, select single star from employees means all the employee information will come from the employee table. Single star from employee table, right? All the information will come from the employee table. That information we have to connect to how we'll get. First we have to connect the database and select the query out of the data table, then fetch the details from the database directly and paste it into our BP tool. That how we need to do, we have to see. But here the interview question is like how many ways will be there to get the inputs or how many ways will be there to get the requirements. Yes. Okay, we have different ways will be there. One is like flat files like CSV, either text or anything. And another way is like directly we can connect to database and pull the data from the tables. Yes. Okay, that is two ways. Otherwise, what is other way? Any expected way is there apart from that? If it is a hard-coded collection and hard-coded table will be there, we can play it.
Suppose already in browser connection, already inbuilt the cloud లో ఉంది.
Browser?
The only table format లోనే ఉంది. అంటే నెట్ లో ఇంటర్నెట్ ఏ ఫైల్ లో లేదు, ఓన్లీ టెక్స్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో. దాన్ని కూడా ఫెచ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఫైల్స్ లో కాకుండా.
నాకైతే నేను చెప్పింది అర్థం కాలేదు. ట్యాబ్లెట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో వెబ్ పేజ్ లో ఉందా డేటా?
వెబ్ పేజ్ లో
రీడ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓసీఆర్ తో టెక్స్ట్ రీడ్ చేసాం కదా, అట్లా రీడ్ చేసి కలెక్షన్ లో పెట్టుకుంటారు. అండ్ లార్జ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా అయితే ఇట్ వోంట్ బి పాసిబుల్, రైట్? ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ద బెస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. You have to export it the tablet format into Excel or either CSV file. Then only we can reuse the same as a collection. We have to export it and we have to play it our data. What this question is, మనం వెబ్ పేజ్ ఏదైనా ఓపెన్ చేస్తాం కదా ఆన్లైన్ లోనే, నాకు ఏదో ఒక బ్యాంక్ HDFC బ్యాంక్ డాట్ లోపలికి వెళ్తే టాబ్లెట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో డేటా ఉంది, దాన్ని వాడుకోవచ్చా అని అడుగుతున్నాను. యూజింగ్ ఓసిఆర్ we can do it, but that is not suggestible, right? They have to give it either some of the way. If you read it through OCR, some text will become as a good format, some text won't come as a good format. That will be problem, right? Yes. Then the better we have to maintain any one of the files. That is the best practice. Otherwise, the complicated systems will fail. Yes. If any small systems, then okay. If any complex systems is there, it will be fail. Then that is the problem. And second thing is like what I am trying to say is using database connection we can connect multiple backend databases and fetch the query, pull the data using query or own query. You can write and fetch the data. Real time, how much it will be helpful means it's very less case it will come, this kind of thing. But entry point of view, this is must. How many ways is there? We have two kind of ways is there to connect a database. One is using SQL directly, VBO they provided. How Excel VBO they are giving? SQL VBO also they are provided. And one more thing is there using OLDB connection. OLDB, one more option is there. Using OLDB, we can connect with multiple databases. But up to till later, they give the provision OLDB connection to the data. But Prism always supports it will be compatible with SQL server only. Oracle and Sybase, the provision they are giving, but it is not working in the BPU. That's what I'm trying to say. Because of as they confirmed also in the email, this option will be not available in the current version. I will showcase that email also to present the forwarded one. Even I am not writing and I am not telling which group only we are telling. We connected with our requirement is there to connect Oracle DB in my office. I am struggling a lot like anything, but Group Prism having the future. I am trying to connect Oracle DB, but it is not successfully not established the connection using OLDB. Okay, then finally I made a query to Blue Prism team. This is the problem here. Okay, what they did right? What they did right? They give the reply. Only SQL is compatible with SQL server. Only Blue Prism is compatible with SQL server only. This is still in progress development, and once the update will come, they will inform you. Once the example will discuss, right, later will discuss, then you should understand more. If I go theoretically a number of times also, you can't understand. Once you go through the example, then only you can understand more. What I'm trying to say is, just close this one, coming to home, coming to studio, and coming to VBO. Okay, then before that, click on file, import that VBO first. Now, just what we need to do for doing this example, click on import. First we have to load that VBO, that SQL connection related. If you want to connect databases, we have to load that VBO. Browse. Here by default they are giving BPA object hyphen data hyphen SQL server. Yes. Okay, this we have to select it, SQL server VBO. Then click on open. Then one click on next. Already it is there for me. That is the reason it is asking overwrite. Then what we did previously, just I click on import and I'm loading this VBO data SQL server. That much only we are doing. It is asking for overwrite. I don't want to go with overwrite because of already it is there. Then once you click finish, it will come like this. Under objects, data SQL server. Double click on this. Next finish. Okay, then coming to this task, what handle is there, right? Just I open. This is predefined. The thing, whatever Blue Prism provided, same object only. How they wrote, say something set connection, open, close, is open, internal close, begin transition, commit transition, rollback transition. This and all is there. See, get CSV file and this and all, get text, get collection. This and all they provided. Each page it behave like each action, right? Then this is Blue Prism provided. We are not writing anything. Just simply we are importing the VBO, whatever the Blue Prism provided. Just I am closing this one. I don't want to use for this. Just I want to create a process. I want to call this VBO and made it our own thing, right? Just I am creating one VBO, one process name called SQLDB connector. Already name will be there. That's what I'm giving like this. Just double click on this, then maximize this one. Keep it left side like this and do whatever you want. First we have what we need to do now. Exception I have process. We have to only go with action only. Okay, double click on this. Then go to your whatever name you want to give under action. You can rename it. Then very slowly you can observe because of any thing is there. Then see very simple also this is. coming to data SQL server, that is the object name, whatever we imported, right? SQL server. Collect, then these are the predefined things will be there. Okay. Just click set connection. Here it will ask like what is there and okay, what handle is there, like that it will ask. Okay, then what I am trying to say is 1 minute. Okay, just I am observing what are the here you have to give your server name and database name and user ID password. Here what is your server name? My server name is what? Lenovo PC. We have to give your server name, whatever it is there, you have to give the same. My server name is Lenovo-PC. Okay, just in by double quotes I am giving. What is my database name? My database name is BP-test. Just click on OK. Okay, just click on OK. One more action I am taking. Okay, once the connection we established, as of now, connection established is very important. Connection, if it is established successfully, then only our own query will execute, right? Yes. That's what data SQL server and get the collection I made it. Here you have to write your own query. What I'm trying to say is, first I will establish the connection using set connection action property. Then I'm coming to, I want to write some one query to put it as a collection. Lot of records will come, right? Data item won't helpful. If it is one record, it will be helpful. One column, it will be okay. Then multiple rows will come, 5 to 10 rows, and multiple columns also will be there. That is mine. That's what I'm taking it as a get collection option. See? Then how a collection will be helpful in the most of the things only we have to paste it in collection. Then only we have to play with the data. Okay, before going to this thing, just I'm simply connecting to SQL server, and under BP test I want to search one table in backend. What kind of data is there? That query only I will give it to them. Okay, just I'm searching like this for showcasing you what kind of data is there before connecting to see BP underscore user is there, or suppose just clicking new query. No need to write for you people. If you're comfortable with front end only, you can write. But for showcasing purpose, I am showcasing. Otherwise, I know what table it is there, data and okay. Through Prism, predefined tables, right? This and all. Just I am clicking F5. What it is there? Two rows is there. See, one is some row is there, and another one is null is there. Okay, next is empty row. That is very less it is there rows. Just I will go with one more table. I don't want that table. I want multiple rows. Okay, just click on F5. This is having only 3 rows. This is also something BP underscore something one table with status, I think. Okay, status is previously I know few tables, data 5 rows, 8 rows will be there here. F5 or execute. Drag change. Okay, then you have to write your own also. Simply dragging myself. I know SQL server very much. I worked for 10 years. Under .NET guy, any development is supposed to work in SQL server. Okay, then click on F5 or execute. Then the data will be, let's see. Now 8 rows is there. It's 3 columns. This table is enough for doing this exercise. Just I am taking this table, this query, Control C. You can write your own, select single star from, no need to write like this. Directly if you give BPA status also it will work. BPA status. Okay, statistics I think. Some status is only, this table don't have any data. Okay, just I am writing my own. Sorry, F4 I clicked instead of F5. See, dragging time DB go and all will come. Now it won't come anything. Your wish, you can give like this also. That's what I'm telling. No need to open SQL server. If you know the table name, you can write it your own. Just I'm going to here and I am giving the value here that whatever query is there I am giving. See, If you click on this, it will come like this also. Validate it. It will validation also will check. Then click on OK. Now I want this we created query, but output we have to save it as a collection, right? Result. Input we made it as a query. Output we go to output tab and result we have to store it as a collection. Collection name get status something I gave. Okay, just create this icon. It will collect under collection. Just click on OK. Link it properly. Everything. Go to this collection. Link it. Okay. Just what I am trying to say. Just reset it, and I want to execute this program. Just click on that and observe it. What it is going on under. See, here it is coming the collection as a row 1 of 8. Open and see the current values. See, both will match. See, whatever is there, both will match. And simply, how much simple it is to connect database and that. Only the thing is configuration only you have to understand. Server name what we have to give. Database name. Real time user ID password also will be there for it. For us, a training purpose not required. See how much it is simple. If you want to insert some data, you can insert also. If you want to update some data, you can update. If you want to delete some data, this concept they are calling like DML operations, data manipulated language. DML means, and that means DML or DDL any kind of operations we can perform using BP2. Okay.
యాక్చువల్గా మనం టేబుల్ నుంచి మొత్తం డేటా తెచ్చుకున్న తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వేరే సిఎస్వి ఫైల్ కానీ మళ్ళీ వేరే మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక టేబుల్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయడం కానీ ఏదన్నా కంటిన్యూషన్ ప్రాసెస్
చేయొచ్చండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీరు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఒక చెప్తానండి. కలెక్షన్ లో వచ్చింది డేటా. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిన కలెక్షన్ లో డేటానే మీరు వచ్చిన కలెక్షన్ సిఎస్వి లో డేటా ఉంది. మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? వన్స్ డేటా సిఎస్వి లోకి వస్తే నెక్స్ట్ మీరు ఏదైనా ప్రాసెస్ మీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రకారం ఏదో టోటల్ క్వాంటిటీ కానీ కావాలనుకోండి, దాంట్లో ఏదైనా డేటా టోటల్ క్వాంటిటీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎలా చేస్తాం గుర్తుంది కదా, డిసిషన్ యూజ్ చేసి అట్లా వాడచ్చు. లేదంటే ఇదే డేటాని వర్క్యూలు లోడ్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, రియల్ టైం వర్క్యూస్ వాడతాం, లూప్స్ కదండి. కలెక్షన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వర్క్యూస్ నేను చేసిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దీన్ని కంటిన్యూస్ చేయగలమా లేదా? దాని ప్రాసెస్ మార్కెట్ కంప్లీటెడ్ అని చేయగలమా లేదా? ప్రాసెస్ ఇదే డేటాని ఒకవేళ అవసరం అయితే ఫెచ్ చేసిన డేటాని ఒకవేళ ఎక్కడైనా అప్లోడ్ వేరే డేటాబేస్ లో అప్లోడ్ చేయాలంటే మళ్ళీ ఇన్సెట్ ద్వారా అప్లోడ్ చేయగలమా వేరే టేబుల్? ఈజ్ అ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. వన్స్ తెచ్చుకున్న తర్వాత అట్లాంటివి ఉండవు. ఇన్ కేసు మీరు చేయాలంటే నిన్న చేసిన వర్క్యూలకి ఇదే కలెక్షన్ లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు. నిన్న అడిగే రాడ్ కూడా చేశారు కదా సార్ కలెక్షన్ ఎలా తెచ్చుకుంటాం అన్నారు. రీడ్ ఎక్సెల్ అంటే ఎక్సెల్ లో ఉండే డేటా నుంచి కలెక్షన్ లో తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు, లేదంటే ఇలాగా డేటాబేస్ నుంచి తెచ్చుకుని కలెక్షన్ లో పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. పెట్టుకున్న డేటాతో మీరేం చేయాలి? కలెక్షన్ లోకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత వర్క్యూస్ లో లోడ్ చేస్తే వర్క్యూస్ లో లోడ్ చేసి వర్క్యూస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసుకోవాలి. యూజువల్లీ ఎక్కువ వర్క్యూస్ వాడతారు రియల్ టైం, లూప్స్ కాదు ఎట్లా. వన్స్ వర్క్యూస్ లో లోడ్ చేశాక ఏదైనా టోటల్ క్వాంటిటీ కావాలంటే టోటల్ క్వాంటిటీ చేయాలి. ఏదైనా ఏం కావాలి అది అంటే నేను మీకు గెస్ చేసి చెప్పలేను. ఒకవేళ మీరు ఇదే వర్క్యూస్ ద్వారా వేరే స్క్రీన్స్ లోకి అపెండ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు, యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఎంత చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు, వర్క్యూస్ లో ఏమవుతుంది, గెట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఐటమ్ అయినప్పుడు 1 by 1 వెళ్తుంది. ఆ టైంలో స్క్రీన్ కి వెళ్తుంది డేటా. ఓకే, మీరు అది లాస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చూస్తే మీకు అర్థం అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 4 టెక్స్ట్ బాక్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే వన్ మోర్ ఇయర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు 3 టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్లు ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ 3 కాలమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 3 కాలమ్స్ డేటా 3 టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్లకి ఇవ్వాలి. అప్పుడు ఎలా ఇస్తారు? టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ డేటా ఎలా ఇస్తారు? యూఐలో ఉన్న టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ కి 1 by 1 ఇప్పుడు యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ జీమెయిల్ కి ఇచ్చానని మీరే అంటారు కదా. ఈమెయిల్ రైట్ ఆపరేషన్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు ఈ డేటా ఐటమ్ దీంట్లో వచ్చిన కలెక్షన్ ఐటమ్ గెట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఐటమ్ దాంట్లో పెట్టాలి. అంతే, సింపుల్. దట్ ఆర్డర్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీకు ఇంకా కావాలంటే మోర్ క్లియర్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, go for further one. That means we have, as I said, we have one more option called just I'm going to import again. Import. Here we have one more option called OLDB, data OLDB. We have two database if you connect to 2 views. One is direct SQL server is there and one is OLDB also there. Just click on open and load it. Next override it will ask, I don't want to override, just click on cancel because of already loaded in my machine. Just open this and say, same, we can't do anything, but this is set connection is there, open, close, get collection. Okay, 4 to 5 is there. Why OLDB will be helpful? Usually, using OLDB only, we can connect with multiple databases. Multiple means different databases, not even SQL, SQL, Oracle, Sybase, and all these things. That IBM DB to MySQL or any kind of database we can connect with using OLDB. In .NET also, in Java also, anywhere. Okay, this OLDB, just I'm showcasing you. Okay, just I'm closing this one. Here any OLDB I made it here. See, this is a OLDB sample I made it previously. Just click on first thing. What is there? Data OLDB is my VBO. Huh? Data OLDB is my VBO. Okay, then coming to, then here I am saying thing like this only, set connection. Okay, set connection set చేసాను. డేటాబేస్ నేమ్ ఏదైతే అది ఉందో అది ఇవ్వాలి, ప్రొవైడర్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రొవైడర్ లో క్వెరీ చూడండి చాలా పెద్దది రాశాను. ఓకే, ఇట్లా ఓన్ గా ప్రొవైడర్ రాయాలి. యూజువల్లీ .NET ఆర్ జావా ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ ఏదైనా డేటాబేస్ ని కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలంటే వెబ్డెడ్ కాన్ఫిగ్ ఇది రాస్తారు కాన్ఫిగ్ ఫైల్ లో. OLDB కనెక్షన్స్ అని కొడితే, కనెక్షన్ స్ట్రింగ్ అని కొడితే మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఇక్కడ దీంట్లో ఇలా కనెక్షన్ స్ట్రింగ్స్ డాట్ ఇలా సంథింగ్ వస్తుంది. దీంట్లో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ సర్వర్ కి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటే అది ఏ క్లయింట్ అని అడుగుతాడు. దాంట్లో మళ్ళీ ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి. దాంట్లో ఎస్క్యూఎల్ సర్వర్ 2012 అంటే ఇట్లా ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి దాంట్లో. అప్పుడు ఇలా స్టాండర్డ్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఏదైతే స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ కనెక్షన్ అయితే ఇది అని వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ సర్వర్ నేమ్ ఉంటే సర్వర్ నేమ్, డేటాబేస్ నేమ్, రిమైనింగ్ సేమ్ ఇచ్చేయాలి. ఓకే, యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఉంటే ఇట్లా రాయాలి. ఎస్క్యూఎల్ సర్వర్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతాయి. అది ఇవంతా ఎందుకు చూపిస్తుందంటే మీకు రాయడం తెలియకపోయినా సరే connectionstrings.com అనే సైట్ కి వెళ్తే ఇట్ విల్ గైడ్ యూ హౌ టు గెట్ దిస్ వన్. Okay, that's what is my intention. Go to here and just I am writing, but it is not working because of the problem is. Then I said like connection open. Open means connection I am trying to open. Nothing I did not type. So take it as one action, connection open. I am trying to do something, get collection. This is my table name. Output also I made it as result is a collection. Same like that. Then after that I made it as connection close. Once connection open, connection close is must. Okay, simply how we are doing in SQL Server, same like this only. Here connection open and connection close is extra thing. You understand or not, guys? Then what I am trying to say is, okay, if anybody will ask in interview perspective, how many ways will be there to connect database using Prism tool? We have two ways. One is using SQL Server, not OLDB. Using SQL data underscore SQL Server is one way we can export it and we can connect it. How we are connecting to actions? First we have to set the connection and then get collection. Through write query, DML operations, we can output. We can save it as a collection. Output is not there. Insert only there. That time output is not required. We have to write that SQL statement and close and then finish it. That much only we can do. And one more option is there to provide. One more option is like data-OLDB. This is I'm talking about. Using this also we can connect. But always you have to tell Prism is compatible with MS Microsoft SQL Server only.